Hola chica, como esta, and all that good stuff. What's up, my sisters from another mister, and my brothers from another mother, and all my cousins? What's buzzing, cousin? What's buzzing? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Y'all, welcome back. Welcome back. And for those who don't know me, my name is Reese, and yes, I am part of the Itty Bitty Skitty Committee. So I'm gonna tell you like this here, welcome to the Nut House. Alright, and for those that do know me, welcome back. Nice to see y'all again. Cause I can see you. I can. Look, this say EC basket. These gonna be the tips I'm gonna be using today, right? Alright, so I got these here off Amazon. Okay? Now I'm gonna leave a link where you can get these here from. And these are some whole coffin nails. Alright? See, I got them. These are called the long ones. They do not come in this box. They come in little baggies, okay? So I just put them in this box. I got the natural can. Then I also have the clear can, okay? And then I have the short ones here as well. I only have these in the natural. Anyway, girl, let's go and get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do me a little press-on nail set. Again, as I always do, I take me a little sponge file here. And this here is a 100 and 180. A washable, disinfectable sponge file. And I'm going to take the little shine stuff here off my nails real fast. Like that there, okay? That's how I do it. Okay? This is always fun to do with you guys. Okay? So then I'm going to take my little nail tips because I got them right here. I was like, hold on, I'm missing a nail. Because I laid them out already. So I'm going to go ahead and apply these. And then we're just going to go ahead and get on with the boogie. Because I got other videos I got to do. So, hold on, y'all. Okay, so I just decided to come back because I'm a mess. And I know. Okay, and what had happened was I said, well, hey, guess what? You dummy. A lot of folks probably ain't even watched your videos before, and they probably still want to see you how you apply them. So what's wrong with you? Why you gonna just go on and cut the video off? I mean, you be entertaining more than just your regular subscribers. You got other folks watching you too. Turn the camera back on, girl. So I decided to turn the camera back on, y'all, and show y'all what I'm doing here. So those who already seen me do this, girl, you don't want to watch, you ain't gotta watch. This just all new folks that just never seen me do this before, okay? Alright. Anyway, y'all. So that's my middle finger there. I be trying to keep my numbers together because I be getting them mixed up sometimes. So what I do is I take me a little bit of glue. Then I'm using some brush on glue. I reckon you can use any type of nail glue. But somebody asked me how long do these things stay on, and to be honest with you, I think it all go according to how strong your glue is, for real, because, honey, I done had some of these little press-on nails on before. And I almost had to soak them off, girl. I couldn't get these things on my nails. So. But hold on, I'm going to go ahead and get my color together. I'll be right back. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and apply my gel polish to my nails, okay? So now I'm going to go in with me some Bling. Y'all like this cute little spoon? One of my YouTube sisters gave me this spoon. She's so sweet. Her name is Anna Navarro. Alright, y'all. Let me, this should be enough Bling. I'm going to blink out 2 fingers. How about that? It better be enough. Let me grab some more just in case. It's enough. I know it's enough, but I probably don't have enough small ones. Probably don't have enough larger ones. But let's just get them all together anyway. Alright. Let's add some Bling. Let's add some Bling, 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 Bling. I'm going to use my little ghetto crystal katana. This is a katana wannabe. Okay, let me get my little pink thing here. I got this here from another YT sister, Nunu. Hey, Nunu. Okay, now, okay, no, look at me. See, got me all over the place here. I'm going to apply some of this here. This is some stone stick. Let me, wait a minute, see if it focus. Why my doggone camera don't never focus right? There you go, right there. Stone stick, okay? And I'm going to add it. Where's me a gel brush, girl? Where's me a gel brush at, girl? There's a little gel brush. Alright. That's just a regular little gel brush. I'm going to go in.